Are you a law student or legal professional struggling to write research papers, thesis, or moot court memorials? Don't worry, we have all been there. Deadlines, formatting issues, plagiarism checks, citations, and the constant pressure to write something that truly makes an impact. JurisStudy is the platform where you get professional guidance. Whether you are in India, South Africa, United Kingdom, or Canada. From research paper to LLM dissertations, from moot court memorials to PhD thesis, we help you to write with clarity, credibility, and confidence. The process is simple and student-friendly. Just submit your topic, receive drafts, share your feedback, and get your final document ready to submit. At JurisStudy, we don't just help you to write, we become partners in your academic and professional growth. We understand international legal standards, different jurisdictions, and the art of persuasive legal writing. So what are you waiting for? Write your next research paper, dissertation thesis, or moot court memorials with us. Visit www.jurisstudy.com, where law meets excellence. Let's get started. Book your free consultation today onwards.